bottle now.
The leg, here we go. Up, get your leg up, exercise. That's the way, George, that's the way. Get the leg up.
Y'all want the thigh master?
Okay, George, you ready? Get the leg up. That's a boy, that's a boy. Lift the leg up. Good boy. Exercise. Up,
Look at
down,
us over here.
up, down. That's the way. Good boy. Ready? Go. Up, down, up, down.
He's doing both legs now, Mom. You're going to have to...
You ready? Get your leg up. Get your leg up. Come on.
He's tired.
You want to do the other leg? You ready to do the other leg? Get it up.
He's bending him.
Get your leg up. Kick. That's the way. Kick, 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 kick. Get your leg up. Go.
Margaret, if you'd have a girl, we could get her in the Apache Bells.
Get your leg up. Ready? Go. That's a boy. That's a boy. Good boy. All right. Do that leg exercise. That's the way. Want to do the other leg? You do the other leg? Okay, do the other leg. Oh, we're going to do both legs. Okay.
Okay, Nana, you do that. Pull your feet up. Grab your toes.
Grab your toes.
Remember, Margaret used to suck hers with that, didn't you?
Grab your toes.
Uh-oh.
Somebody up. Good boy. Good boy. You do that, Bonnie? You exercise your leg? It's funny. It's funny. Yes, it is. You silly boy. You gotta do the other leg now. Do the left leg. Get this leg up. Look at this one.